Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I decided I wanted to do a hair tutorial. I didn't want to use like human hair bundles, so I went to the beauty supply store thinking I was going to do a ponytail, but then I saw this. This is from Shake and Go. It was like $22 and it's like 3 bundles of like synthetic hair, but you know those synthetic hair that you can use flat iron and stuff on. The 3 pieces, 18, 20 and 22 inches. It says curling iron, safe up to 400 Fahrenheit, and then this is in a color 1B. So I'm gonna try and see what I can do with it. I think I'm gonna do a sewing. I was gonna do a half up, half down, but I'm like, do I really want to do that? So okay, so I think we're gonna do a half up, half down because I can, yeah. And we're doing a half up, half down with no leave out. Okay guys, so let me tell you what I did. So as I said, this half up, half down won't have any leave out, and I want to make every track cover the next track, sewing in a U shape. Every time I'm starting a new track, I'm ensuring that that weft is going to cover the weft that I sewed before, and this is how you're gonna get seamless look without having leave out to cover those weft. So that's what I'm going to do in a U shape all the way till I reach the top. Okay guys, so I kind of sort of straighten my hair off camera because I don't want to use gel, and I want to do the like free spray spritz method with a blow dryer and a little bit of edge control, because this kind of flakes when you do it by itself, especially because my hair is so short. So look how long my hair grew. I'm just gonna just spray it all over because it's a lot, like not that much hair, and then like brush it up. So I'm gonna use the rubber band that comes like here. So I'm gonna spray some Spritz. I'm gonna use a little bit of the edge control. So pretty much what I did in these clips, I used braiding hair to add to my hair, so to give me a little extension so I could just wrap the hair. I don't know what that method is called, but that's what I did. So I used braiding hair to add that extension, and then I start by sewing on the weft onto the braiding hair, and then I start to wrap the weft around that extension. And for extra security, as I go, I add a little bit of glue so you know it can hold. And I only had glue to where the braid extension was, not on my hair. So whenever I reach to my hair, I would sew it instead of using the glue. As the clip goes on, you will see that I was adding glue to even where my hair would be. But when I was putting the glue on, I ensured that the glue was going on the weft and not my hair, just so it stick onto that. And that's what I did, just to get extra security for that ponytail to go nowhere. So yeah, I didn't say this in the video, but I've been wearing this hairstyle for like 2 or 3 days now, and let me tell you, I sleep in this. The only thing I do is tie it with a head tie and then put my my bonnet on. And let me say this $22 hair is giving me life. Okay, it doesn't really tangle. Like as usual, you wake up in the morning, you brush your hair, and that's it. But the curls are there. The thing I really love about this is that the curls ain't going nowhere. I don't have to get up and curl my hair. The curls ain't going nowhere. It's formed that way, so all I do is just get up, brush my hair, and that's it. It doesn't frizz, I won't say it doesn't tangle, but like once you brush it, it's gonna stay. So I can say in the morning I brush it and I leave it, and I'm like, I still can't believe I still can't believe you see, I'm even stuttering. I still can't believe this looks so good and it's keeping up so well, and I'm so happy that I chose to do this look. For all you guys that don't really want to spend your money on bundles now, but you still want a hairstyle and you still want to keep it, let me tell you, go to the beauty supply store and get those bundles. They have it in longer inches. I think the longest one I saw was 28, 24, and 20, and it was $26. The only reason I didn't choose it because I really didn't want to bother to with a long hair. But I feel like this is good. I feel like the longer it is, the more it's going to be more high maintenance, and I didn't want that, so that's why I chose this length. But let me tell you, I am loving it. I am so loving it. Bye guys, I hope you guys like it. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below. Bye.
Don't let me sleep, never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down.